What is client server model? Before entering to my class, here I want to tell one real-time example to you. What is that real-time example means? For example, here, one person is there. Okay, one person is there, or else anything. One person is there. This person, for example, this is called nothing but a one shopping mall. One shopping mall, or else this is called nothing but a DMart. DMart. Do you know DMart? Do you know DMart, madam?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
here, what happened means, Navanita Ashu, please mute yourself, madam.
Okay, sir.
Right. Right. Here, one person. This is called nothing but a DMart. This is called nothing but a what, madam? DMart. Here, what happened? This one real-time example, madam. Okay, in this DMart, what we have different types of items are there. For example, in this first floor, some items are there. Yes or no? In this first floor, some items are there. For example, kitchen items are there. In second floor, some items are there. Kids items are there. In third floor, some items are there. For example, total in this DMart, we have different items are there. Okay, up to okay, madam. Now here one person, here another person is there. Okay, now this person wants to purchase any one kitchen item. This person wants to purchase any one kitchen item. What happened? This server went to this DMart store. Yes or no? Yes or no, madam? Yes or no?
Yes,
From the DMart store, take any one kitchen item. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no? Now collect that item. Here in this scenario, what happened means, in this scenario, this person nothing but a client. This DMart nothing but a server. Why? Because DMart provides service to the client. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no, madam?
yes, sir.
Or else, sir, we don't want this example, sir. We want another example. Sir, means simple. Everyone having TV. Yes or no, madam? Everyone having TV. Yes or no? TV. Yes or no? For that TV, we are using some DTH connections. Yes or no? Yes or no, madam? Airtel DTH connection, Tata Sky DTH connection, some other DTH connection. Yes or no? Yes or no, madam? Now,
Yes, sir.
you are paying some amount for that DTH connection. Yes or no? Yes or no, madam? Now, in this example, in our example, you are nothing but a client. That Airtel or Tata Sky or Sun Direct, these are all nothing but a what, madam? Servers. And that companies provide services to you. You are taking services from other company. Here, in our example, you are nothing but a client. That Airtel company, Tata Sky company, the servers. Concept okay na? Concept okay na?
Yes, sir.
Concept. Sir, we don't want to remember this example also. We don't have that much mind. Your favorite example? Here, here one person is there. Here one person is there, madam. Here you can see here one person is there. Here one hotel is there. Hotel, your favorite. Now you want one tiffin. Ordered one tiffin. Now the tiffin center provide the tiffin to you. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no, madam? Yes or no? In this example, you are nothing but a client. This hotel nothing but a server. Now the tiffin nothing but a request. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is kind of client server model. Just this one real time example to me. Don't write in an example, madam. Don't write this example on exam. For understanding purpose only, I am telling this example. Don't write this example in your exam. Right. Come to according to our technical terminology. What is client means? What is client means which computer, which device communicate with the server, which device communicate with the server for communication purpose. For example, here I want to type that one, not a problem. Here I want to type that one, madam. You can see what is client means. What is client means? Which device is used to 1 minute, madam. Here I want to take another one 1 minute. You can see here I want to write client. Client definition I want to write. Client. What is client? What is client means? Which device? Here I'm writing, madam. Which device? Which device is used to? Okay, madam. Is used to communicate with server for communication purpose, for service purpose, or for service purpose. Service purpose. That device, screen visible or not, madam? The device is known as client. Enough. Which device we can use for communication purpose? That device is known as what, madam? Client. Which device is used to communicate with the server for service purpose? That device is known as client. It may be desktop computer, or laptop computer, or any mobile, smart mobile, etc. Okay, na madam? Etc. Yes, madam. Which device is used to communicate with the server for service purpose? That device is known as client. Okay, na madam? Okay, na? You can see in this example. What happened in this example?
Soccer.
In this example, one minute, madam. One minute. Right. Okay, anyways. Now, which device is used to communication? Which device is used to communicate with the server for service purpose? The device is known as client. You can see, for example, here what I'm doing in my computer. I want to open browser. Here you can see. Here I want to open browser and Internet Explorer. Here I want to open www. Here I want to open simple www.facebook.com. I want to open facebook.com. Facebook.com. I want to open. This is called my request. The request sent to my laptop only na. Now here I press enter.
Yes, sir.
Now another web page will open na. Another page will open or not, madam? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now my computer is nothing but a client. From my computer to www.facebook.com request sent to server. Server respond and give this result to me. For example, you can see here I want to open. For example, here I want to open www. What I'm doing, usmania.ac.in. I want to open. You can see now my computer nothing but a client. Here I want to open which website? Usmane website. Now this is my request. Ante means from my computer, I want open Usmane website. What happened? This request sent to server. Server responds to me as a this web page. Ante this is nothing but a response. In this what happened? In this what happened? From this I want your results. For example, here I want your results. For example, results. You can see request sent to server. Server give response to me na. Sir, no, madam. Now here what I am doing here,
Yes,
I want
sir.
to open here, I want to open
Yes, sir.
your result. For example, here your results are there. You can take any one results are there. UG, BA, BCM, SEM-III bank. Or for example, any example you can take. Here I want to take something BSc some here request send to server. Server respond to me this website, this web page. Yes or no, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now here
sir.
what I'm doing 1223 something 18 467 0 0 3 I want to open. For example, any one number. Click on submit button. Means it is not available and not respond. Why? Because it is not available in my server. That's why not found. You can say not found. Yes or no? Yes or no, madam?
Mm.
Yes,
Mm.
sir.
For example, it is
Yes,
available.
sir.
For example, you can see 1223. For example, 19 467 002. I want to open. For example, open na. Sir, no, madam. Open na. Sir,
Yes,
no,
sir.
madam. That means what happened means this is called nothing but a server respond to me in this way. Okay na? Respond to me. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
now here I want to
Yes, sir.
communicate with the server by using my laptop. Now my laptop is a client mission. I'm a client. Okay now this is called client mission. I'm a user. I'm a client. For example, from your mobile you want to open WhatsApp. Now your mobile nothing but a client mission. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, madam? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This called client.
Yes,
And
sir.
which device
Yes,
is used to communicate with the server for communication purpose? That device is known as client. Which device is used to communicate with the server for communication purpose? That device is known as server. Concept okay na? Concept okay, madam? Sir. That device is a
Yes,
client.
sir.
That device is a client. What are the clients means? Either computer, desktop computer, laptop computer, or your mobile also nothing but a client. Okay, any doubt, madam? Any doubt? Any doubt, madam?
No, sir.
Come to what is server? What is server? Server. Server means which device is used to provide services to another computer. That device is known as what, madam? Server. Is that concept okay na? Concept okay na, madam? Which device is used to provide services to another computer? Which device is used to provide services to another computer? That device is known as server. Okay, madam? Simple example, best example. I will tell one example to you. This is your home. This is your home, another person home. Here 3 persons are there. Okay. This person name A, this person name B, this person name C. Here another home is there. Here I want to give one name. Here I have to give one name to this one, hotel. What I'm giving, madam? Hotel. Hotel, your favorite. Okay. Now here X1 tiffin, Y1 tiffin, Z1 tiffin. X1 tiffin, Y1 tiffin, Z1 tiffin, P1, Q1 tiffin, R1 tiffin. You can take, madam. Either idli, puri, something your wish. After okay na? After okay na, madam?
Yes,
This is also house.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
also
sir.
house. Both are houses, na? Both
Yes,
are.
sir.
This one also house. This one also house. Now
Yes,
this
sir.
person wants to X tiffin. This person wants to Y tiffin. This person wants to Z tiffin. For example, not a problem. Here this person wants to take request అంటే this person request this hotel service to this client. Service is person madam. This person want which tiffin madam? X. అంటే provide X tiffin
X,
to
sir.
A na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No. This one B person wants to which tiffin?
B.
Y.
Why?
Y also provide to B na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Z also provide to
Yes,
C
sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
అంటే means what happened? This is called nothing but a client. Client always for requesting purpose. అంటే which device is used for requesting purpose? That device client emission. Here what happened? This is also computer only. This one also computer only, madam. But what happened? This computer, in this computer, we have server programs are there. These are all programs. X tiffin one program, Y tiffin one program, Z tiffin one program, P one program, Q one program, R one program. Services programs are there. And this computer, this hotel, why we can use provide services to other persons? Yes or no? Yes or no, madam?
Yes,
Madam,
sir.
concept okay na?
yes, sir.
This one also computer,
Yes,
this one also
sir.
computer. But this computer,
sir.
by using which computer we can send request to the server, that computer is known as client. By using which computer we can provide services to the another computer, that device is known as what? A server. You can see this one also house, this one also house, but this house only for requesting. What happened? This hotel provides services to other persons. Yes, sir, madam.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
In this hotel we have different items are there. These items are nothing but different programs. According
Programs.
to user requirement, this hotel provides services. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no, madam? Yes or no, madam?
Yes, sir.
Now this comes to server. Simple, madam. Which device is used to communicate with the server for service purpose? That device is known as client. Okay na? It may be desktop computer, laptop computer, or any smart mobile, etc. Any doubt, madam? What is server? Which device is used to provide services to another computer?
Service with the
Other computer.
client.
That device services to another computer, client, not a problem. Computer or client, not a problem. You can take, not a problem. You can take client also, computer or client, not a problem. You can within bracket I want client. Okay. That device is known as what? Server. Concept okay na, madam? Concept okay na? Concept okay na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here in this client, always for request. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no, madam? Server always for
Giving service to client.
service purpose. Client mission always for service purpose. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Service purpose. Only we can use. Any doubt? Up to here, any doubt, madam?
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
there are two types of client server models. There are two types of client server models. Okay. Number one, two-tier model. Two-tier. Simple one. Two-tier model. Two-tier client server model. Number two, three-tier. Model. Number two, three-tier. Three-tier client server model. Any doubt? Top tier, any doubt model? Any doubt, madam? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. What is two-tier client server? Now, first we have to discuss about two-tier client server model. Easy concept, man. Don't take tension. Now, what is two-tier client server model means? In this, we have only in this we can use two parts only. In this, we can use two parts only. In this, we can use what, madam? Two parts only. First, number one. In this, we can use. In this, we can use two tides only. Two tides. Two tides, nothing but two tides. Tides only. That is client to tier, and server tier. You can see, madam, what is client tier? And madam, what easy, madam. In this two client server model means what? For example, here only two parts only we can use. Only how many parts we can use, madam? Only two parts only we can use. First part client, second part to server. In this two-tier client server model, we can use only two tiers. Tier nothing but a part. What are those two parts? Means client part, server part. In this two-tier client server model, we cannot use any, madam.
What is tier?
Tier nothing but a part. Tier nothing but a part. P-A-R-T, part nothing, part. Okay, devices. Simple nothing but what? Devices. Okay, na? Simple you can use what? Devices or program something. Okay, na? We can use two parts only. First part client part, second part server part. For example, here I want to send one request to server. Directly we can send request to the server only. We can take response from server direct only. In between, we cannot use any mediator. Okay, na? We cannot use any mediator. We cannot use any mediator. And for example, whenever we can type any one request, that request directly send to server. Server what happened, madam? In that request available in the server, direct respond to the client. Direct respond to the what, madam? Client. Direct respond to the client. Client server. And here there is no mediator. Only two parts are there. Client part and server part. Client part and server part. There is no mediator. Two tier means what? We have only two parts are there. One part to client part, another part to server part. Server part, madam. Server tier, not a problem. Whenever we can send anyone request to the server, directly send request to the server. Response also direct from server to client only. Server to client only. This type of model is known as what? Two-tier client server model. Concept, okay, madam? Two-tier client server model. In this two-tier answer in that one answer is there, madam. In this two-tier client server model, we can use two tiers only. First tier client, another tier server. Whenever we can use two-tier client server model, directly we can send request to the server. We can take a response direct from server only. Yes or no, madam? Yes or no? Any doubt, madam? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
What
No.
are the advantages of two-tier client server model? First one, easy to maintain. Number one, first advantage what, madam? Easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. First advantage. First advantage what, madam? Easy to maintain. How many parts we can use in client server model, madam? Two-tier client server model.
Two, sir.
What are those, madam? What are those?
Client to server.
Client to server. Why we can use client? Why we can use client?
To send the request.
Whenever we can
Client,
send
by using client, always we can send request to the server.
server directly.
Okay, now why we can use server, madam? Why we can use server?
Provide service.
For what, madam? What purpose? For what purpose only, madam? Server purpose only. Sir, madam?
Service purpose.
Service purpose only. You can see, observe this diagram, madam. Easy to maintain, you can see, madam. Two type client server model means you can see. Here what happened, you can see. One client is there. Here server is there. Directly send request client to server. Here also another client. This, madam, remember one point, madam. Direct request means, for example, here one client is there. 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 Here one server is there. But by using this client, I want send request to the server. This server respond to this client. In between only there is no mediator. Here also, in between also there is no mediator. And we can take anyone from client to server. From client to server, there is no mediator between client and server. Okay, na, madam? Okay, na? Okay, na, madam?
Yes, sir.
Easy. First advantage: easy to maintain, easy to modify. Easy to maintain, easy to modify. Easy to maintain and easy to modify.
Easy to modify.
The communication between client and server, we can use two messages: request message, response message only we can use. And a total communication between client and server model, we can use request and response message. Request and response message only. Request and response message only. These are all advantages of two-tier architecture. Easy to maintain, easy to modify. Easy to maintain and easy to modify. Easy to what, madam? Modify. Next, the communication between the client and the server in the form of what, madam? Request and response. Request and response messages only. 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 Okay, na, madam? Okay, na? Okay, na? What the disadvantage of disadvantage means? Disadvantage means, for example, you can see this client is there, this server is there. For example, number of clients are increase. Number of clients are increase. Number of clients are increase. Server performance is decrease. For example, madam, you can take the server. The server give response up to 10 systems only. For example, up to 10 systems only give response. But what happened? Up to 10 clients give response. Whenever I'm using, in place of 10 clients, I'm using 50 clients. I'm using how many clients, madam? 50 clients. 50 clients. At that time, what happened? It cannot give response to all 50 clients at a time. And now server performance decrease. Server performance what, madam? Decrease. You can see when in this two-tier client server model, whenever clients are increased, server performance is decrease up to limited capacity. And this model, in this model, we have limited capacity is there. For example, you can take the server. In this server, limited capacity 10 systems only, and up to 10 systems only give response. Above 10 means what, madam? This performance decrease. Do you know one thing? Whenever you can see your results, server busy, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already you know about this word server busy. What is the server busy means? What is that server busy means? What, madam? That system having some capacity. Whenever that capacity overflow, at that time server busy, and I cannot give response to all systems at a time. That's why server busy. Yes or no, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, madam?
Yes, sir.
It's simple. In this two-tier client server model,
sir.
we can use two types only. Number one, client to server. Number one, client, and number two, what, madam? Number one, client. Number two, what, madam? Server. Client always provide request to the server. Server tier always provide response to the client.
Service to the client.
In this, we can direct interact to client to server, server to client. No,
Client.
There is
no mediator between client and server. Yes or no, madam?
Yes.
Yes or no,
Yes,
madam? What are the
sir.
advantage means? Easy to maintain, easy to modify.
to modify.
The communication between client and server in the form of request and response messages only. Messages only. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantage means what, madam? If clients are increase, server performance decrease or increase? If clients are
Decrease,
increase,
sir.
Decrease. Clients are increase. Server performance is what, madam? Decrease.
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 This is called nothing but a two-tier server model. Two-tier server model. Two-tier server model. Any doubt, madam? Any doubt up here?
No,
Any doubt,
sir.
madam? Any doubt, madam? Diagram, madam. This you can see this diagram. This is called nothing but a server. In this called server, you can see one client, another client, another client, another client. For example, this client wants to open facebook.com. Send it to request to the server. Server responds to this client. Now this person wants to open manabadi.com. Send request to the server. Server responds to the client. This person through mobile. This person wants to open Instagram. Send request to the server. Server responds to this client. This person wants to open Usmania website. Request to the server. Respond to the client. Diagram you in your own way, madam. Diagram clients means nothing but a computer. It's also computer. Yes sir, madam. Any doubts? Any doubt, madam?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please ask me. Any doubt, please ask me. If you have any
No,
doubt,
sir.
please ask me. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, madam? Any doubt, madam?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt, huh? No doubt, huh, madam?
Questions.
1 minute. All right. Hello. All right, madam. You are asking what important questions, sir? I will give. Don't take tension, madam. I will give that questions also. These are
So
all
what about the
what about
material?
material? I will try to give, madam. Up to any doubt, madam? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Also,
This is client server model. I will try to send this data to you. Okay, na? Shall I send this data to you?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I think this one easy terminology. I think.
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Any doubt, madam? No doubt, huh?
So how many
So-
marks this client server, sir?
Maybe expected for long answer, or maybe client what is server expected for 2 marks also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Client 1 or 2 marks, server 2 marks, or else total this answer long answer. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will explain what are the three tier client server architecture. Next, how it will work. Next, advantage, disadvantage. Enough. Total client server architecture concept completed. Okay, na? I will show you.
Okay.
So we should follow your material notes.
Depends on some questions from your material, some questions this one your wish, madam. Okay, na? You degree syllabus.
Attendance.
Attendance total 26. Any doubt, madam? One minute, madam. Once your syllabus RDBMS, na? Once you can see, madam, this topic distributed and client server model. You can see this one client server model. Need for client server model. Structure of client server model. This one total this topic. Unit 5th, madam. Unit 5th topic. This one. Okay, na? ఓకేనా మేడం?
Okay, sir.
యూనిట్
Yes.
5 యూనిట్ 5 లో దిస్ వన్ టాపిక్ క్లయింట్ సర్వర్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్, need for client server architecture, next what structure of client server systems and its advantages. Okay na? Any doubt
Okay,
madam? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, tomorrow I will explain as well same time madam. 3-tier architecture I want to explain. Tomorrow I will explain what madam? 3-tier